In the fast-paced world of project management, communication is the lifeblood of any successful endeavor. Keeping stakeholders informed, sending timely reminders, and providing updates can be a significant administrative burden if done manually. This is where the power of automation truly shines. For teams leveraging ClickUp, a versatile project management platform, a common and critical question arises. Can ClickUp send automated emails? As a project management expert, I can emphatically confirm, yes, ClickUp can send automated emails. This capability is a game changer for streamlining workflows, enhancing communication, and ultimately boosting overall team productivity. It's not just about getting work done. It's about making the process of getting work done smoother and more efficient. The ability to send automated emails within ClickUp is primarily driven by its robust automations feature. Think of automations as intelligent rules you set up within your ClickUp workspace. These rules define a trigger, an event that happens in ClickUp, and an action, what ClickUp should do in response to that trigger. Sending an email is one of the powerful actions you can automate. How does it work? The mechanics of email automation in ClickUp. To leverage ClickUp's automated email capabilities, you'll typically interact with two key features. The Email Click app. This is an essential add-on within ClickUp that allows you to integrate your email accounts, like Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365, directly into your tasks. With the Email Click app enabled, you can send and receive emails directly from within a ClickUp task, effectively turning your tasks into communication hubs. Replies to these emails will even thread within the task's activity feed, keeping all conversations in one centralized location. Automations. This is where the automated part comes in. Within ClickUp's automation settings, you can create custom rules that trigger an email send based on specific events. The possibilities are vast, but here are some common scenarios and how they translate into ClickUp automations. Task status changes. This is perhaps the most common and powerful use case. Imagine a task moving from to do to in progress, or from in review to approved. You can set up an automation that, when a task status changes to approved, automatically sends an email to the client or relevant stakeholders, informing them of the progress. Due date approaching or past. Project managers often spend a lot of time chasing overdue tasks. With ClickUp automations, you can set rules to automatically send reminder emails to assignees when a task's due date is, for example, 24 hours away, or if it becomes overdue. New task creation from a form. If you use ClickUp Forms to collect client requests, bug reports, or new project ideas, you can set up an automation to automatically send a thank you for your submission email to the sender, confirming that their request has been received and a task has been created. Assignee changes. When a task is reassigned to a new team member, an automated email can be sent to both the previous and new assignees, providing a smooth handover and ensuring everyone is aware of their responsibilities. Custom field updates. If you have custom fields in your tasks, e.g., budget approved, client signed off, you can trigger emails when these fields are updated, sending relevant notifications to concerned parties. New comments or mentions. While ClickUp has its own notification system, you might want to send an email notification to external stakeholders or specific team members who prefer email for certain updates, like when a new critical comment is added to a task. Benefits of automated emails in project management. The ability to send automated emails from ClickUp brings a multitude of benefits to any project team. Improved communication and transparency. Automated emails ensure that critical updates and information are consistently shared with the right people at the right time, fostering transparency and keeping everyone on the same page, whether they're in ClickUp or their inbox. Reduced administrative overhead. Manual email sending is a time-consuming and repetitive task. Automating these communications frees up project managers and team members to focus on more strategic, high-value activities. Faster response times. By automating reminders and notifications, you can often prompt quicker responses from team members or clients, helping to keep projects moving forward without unnecessary delays. Enhanced accountability. When automated reminders are sent, it creates a clear paper trail and gently nudges individuals toward action, increasing accountability for tasks and deadlines. Consistent messaging. Automated emails can be set up with templates, ensuring that the messaging is consistent, professional, and on-brand, regardless of who triggers the action. Error reduction. Manual processes are prone to human error. Automated emails eliminate the risk of forgetting to send an update, sending it to the wrong person, or including incorrect information. Scalability. As your projects or team grows, automating emails ensures that your communication processes can scale without requiring a proportional increase in manual effort. Things to keep in mind. While incredibly powerful, there are a few considerations when implementing automated emails in ClickUp. Email ClickUp activation. Ensure the email ClickUp is enabled in your ClickUp workspace and properly connected to your email accounts. Automation limits. Depending on your ClickUp plan, there might be limits on the number of automation actions you can perform per month. It's wise to check your plan's details. Over-automation. While automation is great, avoid bombarding your team or clients with too many automated emails. Be thoughtful about which triggers warrant an email notification. Personalization. ClickUp's automations allow for dynamic content, e.g., pulling task names, assignees, or custom field values into the email body. Utilize this to make your automated emails feel personalized and relevant.